As you continue working on your Wisconsin's 21 Day that you had chosen, I just want to point out two items that you can do. You can go to this Thursday's presentation right here, and it will tell you a little bit more about the number 2 project organizer. And there are two important links that have been added down here. One is called Sources 2020, and the other is Claims. And Claims is what we went over today. Sources provide you with some additional sources if you're having a hard time finding information on your day. And let's just go here. Here's a little quick review from yesterday as far as those long sentences, those compound and complex sentences. And there's a video here that you can watch. If you click on the link, you can get to this and then open it up, and it looks something like this. It's about 2.5 minutes. It's a very good review put forth by the Quiet Creative. And again, we talked about those sentences the other day. I like pizza. My favorite dish is lasagna. I like to finish my meal with a bowl of ice cream. And we could make a complex sentence here saying, even though I like pizza, my favorite dish is lasagna, and I like to finish my meal with a bowl of ice cream. And we use the conjunctions, commas, semicolons, once in a while dashes for making those sentences. And we use dependent clauses with subordinating conjunctions, those special words that help us create those complex sentences that are listed here. And moving on today a little bit further for the claims of cause and effect. On your document for your project organizer, there's a lot written in this little box here, three questions, and you have to place your answer underneath when you're writing your claim. A good idea might be to break it up a little bit. I did my sample on Flag Day here in the United States, and so I broke things up, and your claim should include the answer to one of the following questions, or to the following questions in one sentence. And the first part, what was the cause of your event? That ended up being at the latter part of my sentence here. Why was your personal event important during that time? That's in the middle. And why is it still important today? And I started out with Flag Day, which still inspires patriotism today. So that's why it's still important today. But starting off right there with it. Came about because Bernard C. Sagrand, a school teacher from Wisconsin, was able to write and speak about his desire to recognize and celebrate. So why was your personal event important during that time? That occurred at the time he was advocating for a day to honor the flag. What was the cause of your event? Well, it all started because back in 1777, the Continental Congress made the Stars and Stripes our official national symbol. Stars and Stripes referring there to the flag. So try to break up the questions there and maybe even color code them if you need to, so that you're able to write what you need to. So again, over here, we have this link right here to what we just looked at, and you can watch that video as a review of the types of sentences. The Sources 2020, which will take you to this document here, which will give you many more possible sources if you're having a hard time finding sources for your topic.